Hello friends, this is a 1962 Mexican Spec Plymouth Savoy two-door sedan. This isn't the type of car I usually post, but I thought you would want to see it. Under the hood is a recently rebuilt 225 slant 6 mated to a 4-speed transmission. Originally the car had a 3-speed on the tree but is now a 4-speed on the floor. This is a project, although it does run well. The car is riding on 4 new tires. Finding a real two-door sedan is difficult. People have cut down 4 doors into 2 doors to get the car they want. It comes with lots of parts in the trunk and in the back seat, including door panels, wheel covers, and much more. It will need interior work. At the moment, there's only a driver's seat. There is no rear seat. You can see the trunk floor is intact. This car has almost no rust anywhere. A lot of work has been done on this car to get it to where it is. You can take it the rest of the way. Delivered to the Nogales border, it will be $7,999, which includes professional transport from where it is to my location, and I will trailer it the rest of the way. Contact us for more information on this car or any other. Please enjoy this video of the car driving. Please like, share, subscribe. Actually, subscribe first, then do the rest. Have a great day.